in my project title is YouTube data harvesting and warehousing. In this project I will be collecting the data for the channel ID which I am getting from the YouTube channel. Then I will be pasting the channel ID and then collect the channel ID and store it in the mongodb. Initially I have copied a channel ID from the YouTube channel. Now I am collect and store the data in mongodb. After clicking, we can able to go and see in MongoDB location there is total of 9. Now it will be become 10. Once again, now the data has been stored in the MongoDB cloud. After that, if I again give this channel ID in the data collection section, it will show the data channel details which has been already inserted. As you can see in this uh, channel box, like latest track records. This is the channel ID which I copied from the YouTube channel. After that, I will be migrating this. I will be inserting this channel ID into the Postgresql. As you can see here, this is a Postgresql. As you can see, latest track records which has been inserted with the Postgresql database. And then I'm going back to this okay, which have the highest number of comments. You can see it here. Yeah, which which videos have the highest number of comments we can able to see. I have segregated using the PostgreSQL query. If I give this query here, I'll be getting this. Each and every question I have been created the uh, code here. This is a query for each and every question. I have written the query. What are the names of all the videos and their corresponding channel, which I am created the query, right? Select channel name as channel name, title as video title from videos, and second one is which channels have the most number of videos and how many videos do they have. Select channel name as channel name, total videos as number of videos from the channels, order by the total number of videos. As you can see this, while presenting in the PostgreSQL, we'll be getting as table. Why? Because I have used a pd.dataframe function which will convert the data from the convert the data in the from the PostgreSQL to the streamlit database. For streamlit database which I have inserted, which will be showing the data as data frame in from PostgreSQL to streamlit app with this function called st.write. Like this, I have created each and every question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comments section. Which I will try to answer answer your questions.